Hi guys, it's Skerlock here with another lock picking video for you. In front of you, you can see the generous haul of locks that ucof from the ucof.co.uk forum sent me recently. It's an unbelievably generous package of locks, and I'm really grateful. Thanks so much, ucof. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to pick for you, or hopefully pick for you, ucof 19A. Spools. So the key is one of these. I think it's here. It's all mummified, so I won't bother spending time showing you that. But it is locked up. Okay, so let's get to it. Just make sure this is zooming in. Okay, now I have picked this before, and it's taught me a lot about tension control. So first thing is just lightly touching pin 5 gives us our first turn on the core falset. And now I can't figure out any binding order to this, so it's a case of just feeling our way and seeing what's binding. Now at the moment it feels like pin 2 is no, pin 3 maybe. Pin 3 is giving us a bit of feedback, I think. Feels like pin 2, there we are. Now it feels like pin 3. Again, a bit of feedback, I think. It's really difficult to tell. I can't wait to see the shape of these pins. ucof, you've worked some magic here. Okay, let's just dig around and make sure. It definitely feels like pin 3. Oh, well. Something happened. I either overset it. Yep, yeah, that looks good. Okay. So now it feels like we're on pin 1. So pin 2. Pin 2. There we are. Now it looks like pin 1. Okay, I'm pretty sure pin 1 got set, but I'm also pretty sure, well, pin 2 definitely fell on us. So let's just pop that one back home. If we can. Keep sliding off it. Not having any of it, is that? There we are. Okay, so now kind of feels like pin 5 is giving us some feedback, which would be consistent. Okay. I don't know if I set it or not. No. Definitely pin 5. Oh no, maybe I did. Maybe we're now on pin 2. There we go. There we are. I mean, it's a lovely lock to pick. It's really good fun. Really enjoying it. It's smarter than I am, that's for sure. But we do eventually get there. Anyway, let's see what the pins look like. I'm so excited about this. Without losing our pick. Let's see if we can get this off. I've actually picked this lock on video and then spent 5 minutes trying to get this C-clip off. And I think I might be able to do it this time. I've now got my tool, my trusty penknife. But maybe not. Maybe this is going to be another failure. There must be an easy way to do this. I mean, this is really embarrassing. Ah, gosh. This is really embarrassing. I wonder if we can prise it up. No? What about with the other end? God, ucof is probably crying at the moment to see what I'm doing to his lock. Feels like it's getting there, guys. I'm sorry this is taking so long, but I am determined to get this on camera for you. Oh no. Look at that. Okay, maybe if we can... Maybe now that I don't care about the state of this video, we're only 6 minutes in, maybe we can get a quick pick out of this. Let's try it real quick. Alright. Can you believe it? Alright guys, we're nearly there. We're very, very close. I think it's just pin 5, which will cause a couple to drop. But that's not a problem to us, because you know it's pin 3-ish. Wow, look at that. That's how things are usually picked. When you're not trying to think too much about the camera. Okay. Okay. I thought I'd done it again. I really thought I'd done it again. Let's see. This is my follower today. I hope to God it works. Again, ucof. Which way will this go? Oh, it goes in the other direction. Okay. So it looks like there's a dip there, and this is going to go horribly wrong. I hope not. Oh man, that's annoying. That doesn't even fit. Guys, this video is going to hell, and I'm sad about that. This is a follower I tried to make earlier. This could go all so very wrong, couldn't it? It doesn't quite fit. Let's see. This is the one from the bird repinning video. Let's see if... What was it? Maybe. Maybe that was this one here. So I've made these all different sizes, but the one that I want I can't find. Alright, this one's... Oh no, I think I took the thingamajig off the screen. Okay, well, hopefully you'll trust me. Okay. Alright. This is the front of the lock, so that's pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. And pin 5. Guess you're not going to be able to see this just yet. Okay. guess I should be able to do this the proper way. 10 minutes. Sorry guys, if you're still here, I really admire you, and I really appreciate it as well. Okay. And one is... I'll show you in a second. Oh gosh. Well, there goes a spring. Oh gosh, I'm moving this off the camera as well. And two. These better have some serrations on them, because otherwise I'm just not very good at lockpicking. And there should be one more. Okay. Just looks like normal springs in there, nothing special there. No countermilling on the core, just looks like a normal core there. And this is what we're looking at, guys. Nothing special at all there, really. No, nothing at all. Except maybe that fifth one, which I did have trouble with. It's a very thin bottom to it. Okay, well there we are, that's ucof 19A, picked and gutted on camera just about, and I'm sorry for the lack of quality to this video, but hopefully you'll let it slide this time. Okay, thank you very much.